I will be sharing with you some of the tips and tricks that I have learned working with Dynamics. Some of them you know, some of them you may not know. One of the tricks is, what do you do if you have a read-only field in a form that you need to change just for testing something, and you don't want to go through the whole process of make.power app and update the form and just publish it? One of the things that I've learned is you can do that using Excel Online. So you can go to the record in Excel Online and you can update it and you can save it, and it's going to act like you are importing some records into Dynamics. Let me show you. Let's assume that this is the record that we care about and we want to change the origin over here from font to something else. And this one is a read-only field. What we need to do is we need to have this view, and in that view, we need to show only the record. So we can put the record ID or the case ID over here. Now, in that view, we will see only the record. So now you can export that to Excel Online. Open in Excel Online. And it changes the origin from phone to whatever. Hit save to web. Then save. Again, it's going to act like we are importing some records. So if you're going to see track progress, it's going to take you to multiple stages. The first stage is submitted, then importing, completed. If we refresh this view over here, we're going to see it change it to web. And if we open this form or this record, we're going to see that, yep, it changed it from phone to web, and this one was a read-only field. Did you know about this trick? Did you find it helpful? Or do you have any question about Dynamics 365 in any way of those? Feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.